Kigomano macani na kiria gitabaniirio kuria kaunti ya Kericho gitongorio ni munini wa president ni Rigathi gachagua ni akiugite ati ruhonge rwa urimi wa macani ni rukoretwo rukinyita itemi na njira nene na makiria hari ukuria wa utonga wa bururi. Gukiria uguo ni akiraniire itemi kana iheani wa thirikari hari gukinyaniria na guteithiriria urimi uyu kuona ni warahuka na wakigacira na njira nene. Reke tukorwo tukiamukira riboti ino taure tukihariririo ni mwandiki tuti Mumbi wa Munyiri.
Hari muthenya wa gatatu wa Kigomano kia arimi a macani thiini wa kaunti ya Kericho, Minister wa urimi Mithikali Ntuli niaugite muoroto wa mucemanio uyu ni kugeria guthondeka mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa urimi wa macani.
As we sit here, we are able to come up with suggestions on how ideas on how we can be able to take advantage of the quality of our tea so that we can be able to maximize or minimum prices for our tea in international markets.
Gavana wa Kericho Mutai ni aranire kuhemberia mitaratara na mawatho maria meigitwo niguo kwambathiria maciaro ma macani.
We commit as a county that we will support the reforms, we will support what you spearhead, and we will continue to support your office actively.
Ine wake munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi gachagua augite ruhonge rwa macani ni ruhura jeki thiini wa ukuria wa economy na gicunji kia 2 harĩ 100.
The agriculture sector contributes 22% to our national gross domestic product, with the tea subsector accounting for 2%. With over 650,000 growers spread in 18 counties.
Mwaka wa 2022 rwandikithirie kigina kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 163 naguo mwaka wa 2021 maciaro maya magikundera nginya bilioni 30 na kiria giacungiriirio ni ng'aragu guku bururiini.
Over the years, tea has earned the country foreign exchange. For instance, in 2022, the subsector recorded 20.9%, the highest foreign exchange earnings of 163 billion due to competitive export prices. This was an increase from 130 billion Kenya shillings registered in 2021. This is in spite of the low production across the country as a result of prolonged drought.
Aririe mamwe ma mathina maria macungiriirie kwaga kuhonia thoko ya macani nja wa bururi ni indo cia urimi ta fertilizer. Ni arikitie na kuga thirikari ndire na matanya ma kuingirira ruhonge ruru ende ni kuruteithiriria niguo rukure.
The farmer is pressed by high cost of production. They also bear the burden of huge operational costs. Then William Ruto and I have zero vested interest in the tea subsector, and that is why these reforms will succeed.
Adine Hamothingi TV, jitagwo Mumbi wa Munyiri.